I want you make me a chocolatos brownies. Let's go. First, prepare the ingredients we are going to use. 1 sachet chocolatos chocolate. 1 chocolate milk sachet. 1 egg. 3 tablespoons of wheat flour. 3 tablespoons sugar. 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Half a cup of baking soda. And 4 tablespoons water. So break the egg. Then you put the sugar in the bin. Shuffle egg and sugar until later. Afterward, pour some touch chocolatos and baking soda. Stir evenly. Then put choco milk. Stir evenly. Then put the fresh in. And finally put water. Mixing well into batter. Put in an oil pan and water. Put the pan in the already hot water that was prepared. Wait 15 or wait 15 minutes or so. After 15 minutes of the love of talk in, make sure it's done. Left in the cool after it good cool, get it out of loyang. Timer we can speak cheese. we're out and cake is served. Is easy. Thank you for watching and goodbye.